What's up guys? Today in this video we were gonna unbox 3 cars. These were unboxed previously, but this time we were unboxing with some major information. So without taking much time, let's unbox them. So guys, these 3 cars were very famous ones. The first one is Mercedes. It's HW Race Day based one. The next one is the HW Green Speed, and next one is the HW Art Cars. So the middle one is, guys, a little bit famous because it's a super treasure hunt. I have been looking everywhere for that car but couldn't find it anywhere. So let's see the first car. So guys, if we take the first car, it's Mercedes 2016 Mercedes AMG GT3. It's HW Race Day based one. Very cool at all sides, you could see. Its bonnet badge names AMG, and very cool, you could see. And the Mercedes Benz badge is on the front. And next we have is you could see that it was officially the Mercedes-Benz, and the design of the enclosed products are subject to intellectual property protection owned by Daimler AG. You could see this is a licensed product. They are used by Metal Inc. under license. These are used by the Metal company with the license of the Daimler AG Benz. You could see that. This is a very cool toy. You could see. So let's unbox it and see. So guys, here's the car. Very cool. You could see the rims were based on blue color strips. Very cool. It's 2017 Metal. It's a GT car. M08. It's a Malaysia made one. Very cool. You could see the interior is very eye-catching. Superior car. Very cool. And guys, the next car is the super treasure hunt I have been talking to you. You could see it's the HW Green Speed. It's a hybrid. It's Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. You could see, very cool. 5 out of 2. Build your toys collection. This is a Porsche Motors permission granted one. Very cool. So guys, you could see that the car is magnificently made. It's like a real one, real life catching one. It's not the same Hot Wheels without the flame. You could see. So let's unbox it and see. So guys, here's the car. Very magnificent. It's a station wagon, and its base is black colored. Screws were both grey colored. Very cool. 2018 Matin, made in Malaysia. I remember I have the white of this car also. I remember the white of this car. Very cool. (2018) Metal, Malaysia made one. Porsche. It's the Porsche badge we could see at the front. And next we have is the HW Art Car. It's Fast Fish. Very cool. It's 10/2 car, and also it's a track star. Very cool. This was a fictional car. I think there was no registration for this car and no permission was granted. This is a fictional car made by Metal. It's a HW Art Car. So let's unbox it and see. So here's the car, guys. You could see magnificent graphics all over the panels. You could see the Glasses, I think it's a green color, light green, and the base is yellow colored. Very cool. It's a 2019 metal. It is fast fish TM. Very cool graphics all over the way. I remember who done the artworks. Very cool, guys. You could see the fast fish. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like for more videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit a like us if you like this video, and also comment us your favorite car in here. Thanks guys, see you next time.